Good afternoon. How can I help you? Today?
Hi, I've been having a bad cold and headache since yesterday. Can you suggest something?
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you also have a fever or body pain?
Yes, I had a slight fever last night and my body feels weak.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you also have a fever or body pain? All right, I can give you some paracetamol for fever and pain, and a cold relief tablet for your symptoms.
Okay, how often should I take them?
Take the paracetamol every 6 to 8 hours, if needed, but don't exceed zero point 0.4 tablets a day.
Got it. Are there any side effects?
Usually, these medicines are safe, but you might feel a little drowsy. So avoid driving or heavy work after taking them.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
Also, drink plenty of water and take proper rest. That will help you recover faster.
Sure, how much do I need to pay?
That will be $5. Thank you. And if your symptoms don't improve in 2 to 3 days, please consult a doctor.
I will. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Mom, look over there. That big burger. I want to eat that right now. Please, Mom.
We just had food a while ago, sweetheart. Are you really hungry or just tempted? Buy the burger.
Mom, please. I really feel like eating it. All kids eat it. I want to eat it too.
My child, eating it sometimes is okay, but eating junk food daily is not good for your health. So you're saying no? No, I'm not refusing. I'm just teaching you that balanced is important.
So, can we get it?
Yes, but on one condition.
I will do anything, Mom.
You'll eat healthy food at home. Without complaining.
Promise, I will eat everything.
All right, let's go. We'll have a burger today.
Yay, my mom is the best.
Remember, a healthy life is a happy life.
Mom, there are so many burgers here. I want a zinger burger, the crispy one.
Oh, really? Will you be able to eat spicy?
Yes, Mom, I can eat it. And I want nuggets, too. I really love nuggets.
All right. Anything else?
Fries, too. It's not fun without fries.
You're right.
And I want a cold drink, too, please, Mom.
Too much cold drink and junk food is not good. Good. Now let's order. Okay, can I have a zinger burger, nuggets, fries, and a small cold drink?
Sure, ma'am.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Remember, healthy habits are most important.
Lucas, look at the blue ocean today.
Wow, the water is very clear today.
The sun is very hot. It's very bright.
I agree, the sand is white and soft. I feel very happy here, do you? Yes, I like the sound of the waves.
Wait.
Do you have any sunscreen, Lucas?
I have some in my bag, here.
Thank you. I do not want to burn.
Let's sit near that big palm tree.
Good idea. The tree has some shade.
The sand is very hot on my feet.
Run to the water. It is very much cold.
You are right, the water feels great.
Look at me. I am swimming now.
Is the water deep over there, Nancy?
No, it is at my knees.
That is good. I am not a strong swimmer.
The waves are very small today.
Okay.
I am coming into the ocean. Look at that Small yellow fish.
I do not see .it yet.
It is near that big gray rock.
I do not see it yet. I see it now. It is very fast.
Welcome to the museum. Is this your first visit?
Yeah, first time. Honestly, I thought museums are kind of boring.
That's what everyone thinks, until they find something that connects with them.
Connect? Like how?
Look at that pyramid behind you. It's not just a structure. It's thousands of years of human effort.
Wow, I never thought like that.
Every piece here tells a story. Some people built history, and some people just scroll past it. And some people just scroll past it.
Yeah, I'm probably the second type.
Not anymore. You're here now. That means something.
So what should I see first?
Come with me. I'll show you something special. Special? Like what? A piece that people walk past. But the ones who understand it never forget it.
Now I'm curious.
That's the beginning of learned curiosity.
You sound more like a teacher than staff.
Maybe because museums are silent classrooms.
That line is deep.
And this place, it doesn't just show the past, it changes how you see the present.
I didn't expect this visit to feel like this.
That's the power of knowledge.
I think I'll come here again. I'll be here. Hello, I bought this shirt last week, but I want to return it.
Sure, may I know the reason for the return?
The size doesn't fit me properly.
Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. The dress looks unused, so we can process your return.
Will I get a refund or store credit?
You can choose either a full refund or store credit.
I'd prefer a refund.
All right, I'll process the refund. It will be credited within 3 to 5 business days.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Hi, my car's making a strange noise.
Okay, what kind of noise?
It sounds like a knocking, noise from the engine.
When does it happen? While driving or starting the car?
Mostly when I start the car, and sometimes while accelerating.
All right, it could be an engine issue or low oil. Did you check the oil level?
No, I didn't check.
No problem, we'll check it for you. How long has this been happening?
Since yesterday.
Okay, I recommend a full inspection. It will take around 1 to 2 hours.
All right. How much will it cost?
Inspection is $20, and if there's a repair, we'll inform you first.
Sounds good. Please check it.
Sure, we'll take care of it. Wow, your hotel looks so good.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. What would you like to have?
I would like to have a well-done beefsteak.
And would you like anything for dessert?
And can I have strawberry cheesecake?
Anything for drink?
A water and a lemonade would be fine.
Which type of water would you like?
What type of waters are available?
Sparkling, still, mineral, and bottle.
I would prefer sparkling.
All right, I would be back with your meal. Here is your meal, sir.
Wow, that's tasty.
Thank you so much, sir. Here is your dessert and lemonade.
Can I have the bill?
Here you go, sir. Your total was $250. And after the discount, it's now $100.
That's a heavy discount.
Yes, because our restaurant has its 12th anniversary.
But still it's expensive, Can you break down it?
$98 for beefsteak and $96 for cheesecake and $5 for lemonade.
Fine. Do you accept card?
Yes. Have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Welcome to board, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
We are happy to have you with us. Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, it's fine.
Once you settled, would you like something to drink?
Yes, can I have a orange juice?
Yes, absolutely. Here you go.
Thank you so much. That's refreshing.
You're welcome. Would you like anything to eat?
What are the options?
Chicken sandwich, pasta, and cup noodles.
Can I have the chicken sandwich?
Yeah, here you go, sir.
That's delicious. Excuse me, where's the washroom?
It's at the front.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, it's time for landing. Please fasten your seat belt.
Okay,
Thank you for flying with us.
you're welcome.
Hello, ma'am. What would you like to have?
Can I get a pistachio latte?
Okay, ma'am. Which milk would you like?
What are the options?
Whole milk, fat milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, low-fat milk. What would you like?
I would like the full fat milk.
Would you want cookies?
Yes, a chocolate cookie.
Would you like anything else?
No, that would be fine.
Your total is $5. Cash or card?
Cash.
Okay, here is your pistachio latte. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
What would you like to have?
I would like to have cheeseburger
Anything else with that?
and a fried chicken with some fries.
And soda?
Yeah, I would like a cola.
And that would be all?
Yeah.
Your total would be $12.
All right, do you accept cards?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.